What is most important to know for knowing ophthalmoscope or a retinoscope? It's knowledge of optical principles, fine motor skills, clinical observational skills, subjective judgment, and much more. But the best thing is कि आप इसे लर्न करें hands on guided training with an experienced practitioner or a consultant. For patient safety as well, जब तक आप खुद अपने हाथ से नहीं करेंगे, you cannot learn skills. It's your passion that drives to learn. इस वीडियो में ऑप्थेल्मोस्कोप और इसके पार्ट्स के बारे में बताया है. How to perform ophthalmoscopy on a patient is explained in detail in my video on fundoscopy and the red reflex. Most important and common instruments in an IOPD are ophthalmic unit with slit lamp and tonometer, fundus camera, autorefractocratometer with multi options, trial box and frame with accessories, Snellen's visual acuity chart, visual assessment tools, LCD or LED for kids and adults, refractive unit, and air puff tonometer, A scan, B scan, FFA, corneal scan, endothelial count, prism bars or box, fossimeter, and OCT. But in addition to that, the slit lamp with camera, the most important, small, portable, magical tools, ophthalmoscope, and the retinoscope. Probably these are the only instruments where slit lamp is not available for fundus examination. Though in near future I believe smartphone will be. थैल्मोस्कोप का जो हेड होता है राउंड होता है, जबकि रेटिनोस्कोप लंबी होती है ज़रा. तो ये ओ से स्टार्ट होता है, तो इसका हेड राउंड या ओवल होता है. इसके ऑन ऑफ स्विच है, दैट इज़ अ ब्राइटनेस एडजस्टमेंट और अ कंटिन्यूस ब्राइटनेस कंट्रोल. Its optical feature include high magnification around 15 times, small field of view, and upright image. So the retinal view is not inverted or reversed. Light source में specially designed bulb xenon halogen bulbs होते हैं that are designed for long life and high light output. इसके अलावा LED HQ models भी available हैं. It's the instrument that is the need of any doctor, especially optometrist, eye specialist, or an ophthalmologist. Lights off करें. Field of view should be maximized by coming as close as possible to the eye. Switch off or dim the lights of the room and switch on ophthalmoscope to see. This is diopter power display, and you can rotate it by that will show you the current lens power being used. ये प्लस और माइनस के और ज़ीरो पे आपने रखना है इमेट्रोपिक आई के लिए. सो फिक्सेशन, slit, blue filter, small aperture for undilated pupil and the larger aperture for dilated pupil, mirror on the patient side. Before proceeding towards the patient, इसे ऑन करके चेक कर लें इट्स फंक्शनल. तो इसके ऑन ऑफ स्विच के अलावा इट हैज़ डायोप्टर पावर डिस्प्ले and lens dial or a wheel, viewing window, and brow rest for eye protection. Patient side पे in addition to mirror is aperture selection wheel, जिस पे small और large aperture और बाकी आप slit fixation select करते हैं. Then filter, blue और green filter, diopter dial और detachable head. इसका जो हैंडल होता है, हैंडल को अगर आप नीचे से ओपन करें तो यू विल फाइंड सेल और अ रिचार्जेबल बैटरी. So ophthalmoscope is an instrument used to examine the details of retina, mainly the fundus, the posterior pole or the periphery of retina. The light source bulb is at its base of the detachable head. इसको दोबारा अटैच करें और before proceeding toward the patient or putting it back, to the charger, recheck whether it is functioning properly or not. Optic disc is 15 to 20 degree temporally while on the same horizontal level of the patient. Diopter power display shows current lens being used. Diopter dial to adjust the lens used to view the eyes. Viewing window where you look through to observe the eye. Brow rest is an eye protection. Aperture dial or selector adjusts the size of the light beam. Slit to look for contour variations. Blue filter for corneal aberrations or epithelial defects.